My dear friends, hello. Today we are talking about upward plank pose. It has been proved by many scientific researches that regular practice of yoga is very effective in providing relief from many types of physical problems. Many types of yoga asanas are in vogue. One of those popular asanas is also the upward plank pose, which many health benefits can be obtained by regular practice. This asana is called Purvottanasana in Hindi. The name of Purvottanasana or upward plank pose, is made up of a combination of two words. East and Uttan. Purva means east direction or front part of the body and Uttan means stretched. Although it has nothing to do with the east direction. In this asana, your face remains towards the sky and both the arms and legs are on the ground. This posture is very beneficial for your health and you also remain stress-free with its regular practice. Due to the bad lifestyle of the present time and excessive use of fast food, junk food, etc. In the diet, weakness starts coming in the body and man also suffers from many types of respiratory diseases. To avoid all these, nothing can be better than upward plank pose. Important tips related to the practice of Purvottanasana. If you are going to practice this yoga for the first time, then first of all understand its process well and only then try to practice because wrong yoga practice can cause problems. It would be better if you practice it under the supervision of a yoga teacher. Before practicing this yogasana, do some light stretching exercises so that there can be some flexibility in the body. Along with this, practicing asanas like chair pose, warrior pose 1, warrior pose 2, staff pose and seated forward bend are also very helpful. Come, today we tell you the right way to practice upward plank pose, the precautions to be taken and the benefits of doing it. Things to keep in mind are precautions before doing upward plank pose. Your stomach and intestines should be empty before practicing this. Have your meal at least 6 hours before doing this asana so that your food gets digested and there is enough energy to spend during the practice. By the way, early morning is the best time to practice yoga. If you do not have time in the morning, then you can do this asana on an empty stomach in the evening as well. Do this for at least 30 to 60 seconds. If you have any problem related to spinal cord, feet, hands or head, then you should avoid practicing this yoga as it may aggravate your problem. People who often get dizzy should also not practice this yogasana, and if you have any stomach related problem or you have had any surgery, then also do not practice it at all. Do not do the upward plank pose if you have a wrist injury or if you have neck pain or injury. Do not exert more force than your physical capacity while doing this asana. If you are not able to do the upward plank pose perfectly or if you have pain in your back or shoulders, you can take the help of a person to support your waist. If there is no one to help you, you can take the support of a chair under your waist. If this is also difficult for you, then keep your hips on the ground. How to practice upward plank pose. 1. First of all, sit in the position of Dandasana on the yoga mat. 2. Keep the feet together and keep the spine straight. 3. Place palms on the ground behind your hips, near waist or shoulders, fingertips away from body, elbows straight. 4. Lean slightly backward and support the body weight with the hands. 5. Inhale, lift the pelvis, try to straighten the body. 6. Keep the knees straight, while keeping the feet on the ground, try to keep the soles on the ground. Let the head drop back towards the ground. 7. Keep breathing in this condition. 8. Exhaling, come back, sit down, relax. Benefits of doing upward plank pose. Seeing the benefits of upward plank pose yoga. Every person wants to do this yoga. Like every asana, upward plank pose also has many benefits. 1. It strengthens the wrists, arms, shoulders, back and spine. 2. By doing this asana, the legs and hips get exercise. 3. This asana improves the respiratory process. 4. By doing this, stretch is created in the intestines and abdominal organs with this asana. 5. This asana stimulates the thyroid gland and can also provide relief to a great extent from many types of mental disorders like anxiety and nervousness. 6. It has a positive effect on the muscles of the whole body. 7. By doing this, your back, legs, triceps and wrists become strong. 8. It gives a good stretch to the front of the ankles, chest and shoulders. 9. It keeps your mind calm. 10. This posture gives a little stretch to the muscles of the reproductive organs, which is also beneficial in sexual disorders.
You can get amazing and wonderful benefits from the yoga, so definitely make to yoga a part of your daily life. Always be happy, keep smiling. I pray to the God that you progress progressively in every field of your life. Write in the comment where are you from, and what you want to know about the next video of yoga. Subscribe, if you are new to the channel, and like and share the video too.